Alam mo ba, minsan yung akala nating ideal or dream galing lang pala sa pressure at sa standards ng iba, hindi sa totoong gusto natin. Kaya I'm starting a new IG signature series called Truth in Love. Dito I'll share reflections para makita natin, are we choosing love from your truth or just dahil ayaw nating maiwanan mag-isa? Kasi iba yung naghahanap lang ng partner para makumpleto tayo at may makasama, at iba rin yung nagbe-build ng sarili para maging ready sa totoong long-term commitment. Iba yung ideal partner na pang checklist lang kaysa sa dream partner na align sa buhay at growth mo. And this is exactly the work we do inside the Antidote Live Your Truth coaching program. I help women become the best version of themselves, the wife builder, the dream girl, the woman na buo at handa sa love na hindi lang pang appearances, kundi real, authentic at genuine. Kung ready ka na to choose love from your truth, samahan mo ko in this series.